What is your unpopular pet opinion?
Don't hate me in the comments, but dogs are better than cats.
I don't like extendable leashes.
I think people should not have big dogs if you have a small space.
I keep my cat out of my bedroom at night. I close all the doors and shut her out.
I would say I prefer larger breeds over than smaller breeds.
You know what? I love mutts. I'll choose a mutt every time.
I think it's gross when people let their dogs give them kisses or like lick their mouths.
I never want to own a puppy ever again.
And when it comes to adoption, I am not a fan of kittens. They are absolutely crazy, and I would much rather give a senior pet a wonderful home for their golden years.